Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag two crafters, one design, as well as Saturday morning makes. So this week we were using Christmas trees. So if you have something with a Christmas tree and you want to join in on our challenge, hashtag two crafters, one design, just make sure you go ahead and use that hashtag, as well as go ahead and join Saturday morning makes. And that's hosted by Jill Norwood. All right, let me jump right in. So I decided to make a topper, and let me show you what I used to create it. I don't have everything out. Some of the stuff was already in my stash, so I just went ahead and used it, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I had to pull out, actually. So anyways, I pulled out this cute little stamp and die set from my creative time, and it's called Warm and Fuzzy Hugs. And I colored up that little snowman, and I could use this one right here. Popped him on top of there, the Christmas tree. You can pick that up from Jaded Blossom, as well as that tag. This tag here came from my creative time, and it's from the mini assorted tags. Sorry about that little close-up there, but just wanted to make sure you could see everything. And then this set here, I got this from Shishi. She sent it to me, and some of you might know who Shishi is. So thank you so much, Shishi. And so that's about it. I forgot to pull out the paper. Let me grab that real quick. So this paper came from the Christmas pack, and I got that from scrapbook.com. I think it was a freebie. So that's where the paper came from that I used. All right, and so here goes my cute little topper. You're a Cool Friend came from that same stamp set with the snowman, and there goes that little snowflake I put back there, and there goes the Christmas tree. And let me just show you how it would look if I were to package it up on something. I just threw some mints in there and pop that on there like that. So you could do something like that if you'd like, or package it on a different kind of gift like dies or something like that, and send it off to a friend. So I really like how that turned out. So super cute. Tell me what you think. Leave it in the comment section down below. Make sure you go over and visit my friends, Lisa, UCY I'm a Diva, Gloria, which is Girliest Cards, and Jillian Norwood, which is the host of Saturday Morning Makes. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You have a blessed and crafty day.